Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to remove rotoscope filter in TikTok. So you can open this to any editing tool, but for now I will be using CapCut. So I downloaded a TikTok video earlier, and the TikTok video has this rotoscope filter. Now in order to remove that, all you have to do is simply split first the original video without filter and the video with filter. So I imported the video here and I split it already. Now the next thing you should do is to go to effects or go to adjust settings. Now what you're going to do here is simply follow what I'm going to do. For brightness, you can just simply choose 48%. For contrast, you just have to decrease or drag it to the lowest. Okay, so let's just say negative 50%. Now for saturation, you can drag it to the highest, or let's just say 50%, the highest. But actually, it depends on other tools or editing tools. For you, we have here 30% or drag it to the lowest. Next, we have here is highlight, drag it to the highest or increase it to 50%. And then also for shadow, drag it to the lowest. And then last we have here is hue, and then temp, drag it to the highest. And then the next thing to do is to simply search for the specific filter, but sometimes it depends on your TikTok video or the effects on your phone. What I recommend is just go to filters and then look for that effect here that can totally add something to remove this disco filter. To adjust this is a big help in order for you to remove this filter, and also you need to add some effects. You just have to choose the effect right here, and that's how you remove rotoscope filter in TikTok. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.